Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
We are about 48 hours away from the onset of the sloppy weather with snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So you still have plenty of time to prep. Get your car ready, get that winter survival kit going, and also make sure your home is prepared as well, because we are going to be looking at a sloppy situation Saturday night on into Sunday. We do have a winter storm watch. This does not go into effect until Saturday night and Sunday, when we'll see the brunt of the system moving through. Now, we're looking at a quiet evening. There is a little disturbance moving through the mountains right now, and that's triggering a few snow showers across the mountains, maybe around Asheville. Some of the northwest facing ridges could see maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches of snow. But this is not the system we're watching. We're watching one well to the north and west of that, developing across the northern plains right now. It doesn't look too impressive right now, but you're starting to see expanding snow, rain, and freezing rain. This system drops to the southeast. We'll see a strong trough developing over the top of us, and that's going to whip up a pretty good storm Saturday night on into Sunday. Here's the American model, the GFS model, showing that disturbance tonight. A little bit of snow for the mountains, especially some of the higher ridges. But then moving into Friday, a great prep day. We're looking at quiet conditions, and then the clouds roll in on Saturday. Even much of Saturday looks quiet, but then here comes the snow across the mountains Saturday evening, and the GFS model is showing some plain rain south of I-85. Don't know if I buy that. It really depends on the track of this system. And as we go into Sunday morning, there's the snow in the mountains. It has a wintry mix along I-85 and just plain rain to the south. So this is kind of curious. We'll have to see about that. But what we do know is that as the storm moves by, it's going to wrap in cold air all through the layers of the atmosphere, each layer, and that means that's going to change over to snow, any kind of wintry mix, and still snowing pretty good across the mountains as we go into Monday morning. Now, here's the European model, kind of the gold standard with forecasting winter weather. We have this mixed bag moving in around midnight Sunday. Then by 4 a.m., it's got really much of the upstate and mountains socked in with the snow, but then it's thinking that warm nose moves in through the upper layers of the atmosphere, changing the snow to sleet and freezing rain across much of the upstate, with still some heavy snow going in the mountains. And we still have that mixed bag of precipitation later Sunday, and then it changes it to snow as we go into Sunday night and into Monday. I know this is a complicated storm, but it's going to be a messy one as we go through time. So here's the thinking now as far as the snow goes, about 1 to 3 inches along the I-85 corridor, but this is subject to change. This is a conservative estimate right now, with lighter accumulations to the south, because you'll be in more of that plain rain and freezing rain and sleet. But then you move into the northern upstate, maybe 3 to 6 inches here, 5 to 10 around Asheville and Burnsville. In some places, we'll be seeing over a foot of snow from the system. It's just hard to tell exactly where that could happen. And as far as the ice potential, it doesn't take a lot of ice to cause problems on the trees and power lines with power outages. So prepare for the possibility of that. A light glaze from I-85 to the north and a heavy glaze off to the south and east. So the upstate threats, freezing rain, a good shot, good chance of that, moderate to high, as is the snow and sleet, slick roads, power outages, prepare for those. And for the mountains, a lower chance of freezing rain, but a better chance of snow and sleet with slick roads and power outages too. The roads are going to be snow covered in the mountains on Sunday, snowy and icy in the upstate, and just some icy spots to the south. So bottom line, just stay home if you can on Sunday, maybe into Monday. Tonight, 34 mostly cloudy for the upstate. For the mountains, 28 for you with mostly cloudy skies. 47 for the mountains tomorrow. That's no problem, but thickening clouds Saturday. The snow builds in Saturday night. Heavy at times on Sunday with a high of only 27. We melt out that snow a little bit on MLK Day with 35, and then we get rid of that snow as we work our way through the week as temperatures warm into the 40s. 55 sunshine Friday for the upstate. Thickening clouds Saturday, snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Not necessarily in that order on Sunday. With 29 the high, all that is going to freeze on contact, 40 on Monday, and then we warm it up into the 50s beyond that. So needless to say, here is your Harley riding forecast, and riding's going to be rough. Now for Saturday, really not too bad. We're looking at cloudy skies and 44, but Sunday, I don't know. It's going to be a wintry mess. 29, windy, maybe just leave the bike indoors there. And then for the mountains, 40 on Saturday with clouds and flurries. And then on Sunday, 27, heavy snow. Make sure you have the snow tires on the bike, on the hog, because it will be treacherous out there. Maybe just don't ride it up.